Hey, thank you for watching my channel. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. All my socials are listed up on the screen and will be in the description box down below. Before we get into the video, I would like to show you guys my Shopify website. There will be a Linktree link in the description box of this video. Once you press that link, you will press custom and pre-made wigs. This is where I will be selling all of my wigs from my brand. All the wigs will require you to measure your head. Custom made wigs will require all three measurements shown in this photo right here, and pre-made wigs will just require your circumference measurement. I do have 3 wigs available for sale at the moment. Once you press the wig you would like, all the information about the wig will be right here when you scroll all the way down to the end of the page. They all come ready to wear and are ready to ship. I also do take payment plans with Shopify Pay. Now back to the video. Alright, to get the color I achieved in the beginning photo, you'll need shimmer lights, Adore soft lavender, Adore neon pink, silicone mix, any type of holding spray, gel, or anything so you can apply on the lace so your lace won't get dyed. You'll need a container to put the water in because we'll be doing the watercolor method. Everything I use will be in my Amazon storefront and my Linktree link in the description box below. I'm using a 613 wig for my collection. This is a custom made wig. I handmade this myself. First thing you're going to do is get hot water and put shimmer lights inside of the water and mix it together. And you're going to dip the wig inside of the container to tone it. You're going to want to fully submerge the wig, so make sure you dump it all the way in and brush it thoroughly. Now you're going to go in with your gel or holding spray. I use the Got To Be gel, and you're going to apply it all inside of the lace and a little bit on the front part where the edges are. This is to make sure that your lace does not get dyed, so make sure you put a lot on there. After you have the gel on, you're going to comb it through. This is me showing you how much gel I put on there. I put a lot because I do not want my lace to be dyed. Okay, now you're going to fill the container back with hot water. Now I'm going to go in with the soft lavender. It looks purple. I thought it was purple. I was going to do a purple and pink ombre, but it turned out pink, so I'm actually glad I didn't do purple because the look I got, I really liked it better. So yeah, it's gonna look purple, but it's actually not gonna be purple, it's gonna be pink. So I mixed it in. I used, I think, the whole bottle of the lavender, and then I dipped the whole wig in there. So start with the ends, and you're just gonna keep dipping, and then you're gonna brush it through to make sure that all the water gets into the wig so it can color evenly. This is me showing the color. Again, the ends might look very purple, but it's not. It's really pink. The camera lighting just made it look a little purple, but yeah. And then I put it back in and I let it sit for about 5 minutes because I wanted it to really saturate the color. And then I rinsed it out with some shampoo and water. Now we're going to do the next color, but before we do that, you're going to want to put the gel or the spray back on the lace so it won't dye. batch of hot water in a container. We're going to go in with the neon pink. And I think I used the whole bottle of this as well. And instead of dipping the whole wig, we're only going to dip the wig from the ends about halfway up to the top for the ombre effect. Again, make sure to keep dipping it and brushing it thoroughly, and don't put the whole wig in or it's not going to be ombre. You're going to end up dyeing the whole wig this color right here. So just stop about halfway through, or stop wherever you feel like you want to, the ombre to start. So I left the ends only in the container so it can sit in there and really take the color in for about, left it in for about 5 minutes, and then I washed it out and I put silicone mix in the wig and let it sit so it can soften up. But this is the final results. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and put your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.